Yes, home prices are dramatically higher from where they were a year ago, up more than 20%. And a lot of those gains came from real estate investors who swooped into distressed markets and bought up thousands of properties. Well, now, as home prices continue to climb, some of those investors are considering pulling out, potentially threatening the price gains that they've helped to create. Diana Olick has our story.
They came, they saw an opportunity, and they bought. Institutional investors lured by big discounts during the foreclosure crisis. They rehabbed the homes to rent, and by buying so many, pushed home prices far higher than expected.
We think that if you get a reasonable cost of capital, both debt and equity, you can actually not only create a very attractive return on a current basis, but in today's market, to your point, the house price appreciation that we think is still in the market is extraordinary.
But those higher prices investors helped create have now caused a pause in home buying, and some investors are looking to get out.
I think the investor market is largely past us. People were buying investment properties 3, 4, 5 years ago. What I hear is that's slowing down now.
Oak Tree Capital and Ziff, early investors in the trade, are reportedly selling hundreds of homes. But Colony Capital says that's just it. It's not a trade, it's a new asset class. Colony is buying over 1,000 homes a month. American Residential, a single-family REIT, is all in as well.
We're looking at the MLS, multiple list services. We are still looking at REO from the banks, real estate owned product from the banks. We're looking at short sales. We're even buying some traditional houses now where people are just simply putting them on the market.
American Residential has bought 80 portfolios from smaller investors, some of them mom and pop. Foreclosure inventory is down 34% from a year ago, so investors are moving geographically as well. Phoenix, Las Vegas, Southern California, and parts of Florida are already investor heavy. That's why some are now moving into Georgia, the Carolinas, Indianapolis, and Chicago. Blackstone, the largest investor in single-family rentals, says they're not doing any bulk deals and will continue to buy. These investors are modeling after multifamily, and why not? Apartment demand right now is through the roof. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick.